Yes, dear.
I'm sick.
You're not sick. You just need some fancy elixir. It's a special kind that will make you feel much better, and it doesn't taste nasty at all.
Lies, woman. Lies.
What are you wearing? I don't think those are your jams. Oh, you're so sick. Here.
No. No. I can't do it.
Just take it all in one sip. Do it quick, like ripping off a Band-Aid.
No. No. I don't want this anymore. They said it'd make me look pretty, but I don't have the figure to pull it off. Why? Why, cruel universe? Why? No. No. Oh.
Do you see this? Do you see what happens when you force your children to take cough medicine? This happens. Look at that. I ruined those sheets. My mother is angry with me. And I smell like Jerry.